Tidididi. Tidididi. Ah, tidididi. Tidididi. Ah, bafowethu. Sibuyile. Sekusehlobo manje. Buka. Yenzani forearm Nkosi yami? We acting to ubani lo?
That's shade things. Shashadethngz.
Sure. Why is it ruthless kiss? How do you kiss somebody in a ruthless manner?
I guess we're about to find out.
Oh, it is. Anyway, yeah, kiss with this. Like it, subscribe. And there isn't as grand. Share a link. Super grand.
That's what they mean by ruthless. Yes, yes.
Yabo ukuthi abelungu baza nenkohlakalo ukuthi ngiqabe Why are they always in the classroom? Ubani lo security oleki ngani ukhiye? Neslogan sakho inhlamba esikoleni.
Let's get this shit.
Because
Nangu ingane magange la. Magange bafaneni.
when I lead it, I got Mr. Bean.
Ha.
I ask you this. When you're giving those, you know, those light-skinned niggas, Polonek vibes, but like,
Hey, let's get niggas pornic vibe. What are you trying to say?
Inga.
What are you trying to say? I love my Polonex. Don't stop playing games.
Yeah, just bitches is gay bashing. What the fuck is wrong?
Shh. When I got after midnight.
What does that mean?
These kids are so Saras, what the fuck are you? Midnight. Hey, Vuma Maxim. Hey, Vuma.
This as kiss. Yeah, cute. Oh, you be like clean hands. No.
Ngini basa wena yini nezakho uzithinta amalala.
Yeah. Arvayo Michum. This is your boy Young Terry. Hello. What's up?
Usenomoya phansi manje.
Uhambule.
Uzothini?
Unezizotha.
Uzothini?
For sure.
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 Ah, wawusam.
Umphula ingane.
Bianca. Kopa.
Uyakupha kanti.
Kanti kwenziwani lana? Senikupa namahanga. Aqatshulana kanti kwesiphi isigaba?
Dabule ngeRoma.
Wuli mbuko mnyoko.
Abule kabi.
Mshiya didekile umqabule.
And go right.
What does she have against you?
Short.
Hayi kodwa ngangaka Nkosi yami.
Okay, but if you're gonna be having everyone,
Kiss
why
like
would
this.
you
High
want
five,
to
what's
have
going
from
on?
the other one?
I'm so confused. These kids look. Ngathi ngabathola basarecord angene ngebhande. Ngenzeni ngebhande.
Yebule.
And ke kumnandi ngoba bonke bayonabeka bonke khona. Hayi.
Connected. Uyatapeta fana.
Uyaqoba. Ebule mangiqeda
Sikwa nepotela.
bafake makubo nginaba nabani benu.
Febe.
Babhizi nabafana.
Ungathi akafune.
Yafuna.
Hello. Linsa. Shap. Shap.
Sure, you can kiss.
Why do you keep asking for hugs from the other ones?
He needs love.
Just if you want to shake everyone's hand, just shake everyone's
Yini
hand.
ukhulele ekhaya elingana mfudumalo nto yami kwenzekani?
Yeah, let's. Adam, we meet you.
Hello.
Ujaho uphoxa
What's up?
abantwana.
Yeah.
Nalite beselukhulu. This. Hello.
Hey.
Ukaku giant. This. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Unjani?
Sharp, wena.
How you sex? Kaya kita sex.
That one was fire. Awukho sex, ungazenzi sex. That one was fire. Not that I agree, but
Lokuthi uyintombazane engena isikolo waze abafana aba6. Double ngenye impama ungakholwa uphi ubaba wakho?
Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm okay. Kakutana.
Uphaqa ufunani kanti ushaya uphaqa?
So how ke tsang bjano outfit a tlhakane o ka go le go bala dilo tse no ways. Hello.
Hello.
Unjani?
Sharp.
Sex days. Sex days. Hello.
Hi.
O ka go metlo dilo tse
David.
o sharp
Shap.
Motor 6.
outfit ya gago e nice so far.
Thank you.
Like a nice outfit ya gago so far. Go bokisa ba?
For sure. Another tune, I'm tune. Oh, yes. Hello.
Hello.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Wow, up a week.
Payment gateway. Hey. Senze. Flataway. Kufana lendala ukuthi uqaleze ikoleni ebusuku.
oh come on, we've never let it play this.
Ngiyeka kanye. Kufana into uqaleze ikoleni.
We love your content, by the way. We love your content.
Hayi mina ngisekonde zincane lezi ingane lezi. Zincane le ingane. Hey Mark.
Okay, we'll skip this one.
uNkulunkulu yapha aphinde aphuke.
Because yantwana.
Now, turn.
Yes.
Sure.
Unlike when I ufanele uba semhlabeni.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Sharp.
Ciao.
Sharp. DISS. Marakarata bet makyahan. Sharp. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Sharp. Sharp. Kiss.
Baba could have saved him from a humbling experience like that one. For those that don't know
What's the point of playing this game mangabe uzoba nempakamo?
What's the point of making them play this game yet you're not gonna force them? Like in the previous one where there was actually kids, he actually forced the kids to kiss each other's fingers and toes.
Yeah.
Abanye wabashaya ngofla, wabashaya ngecream.
Baba is the fear of approaching women
Siv, stop it. I get tired of hearing you. Especially about
or shooting a
this
shot.
Hello.
Hello.
Sharp. Kiss. Sharp. Kupalso. Kiss. Hello.
Hi.
Sharp.
Okay.
Sharp. And I like you because I'm into dark mommies. So cute.
The fuck does that supposed to mean?
Man, they were soft as of powder.
But he said you are lucky. What the fuck does that mean?
Well, I don't know.
So une colorism with preference yakho, like what's going on?
After that
Hello.
speech, we were like, he's in the
Sharp.
hand.
Shabana.
Sharp. Umuntlane maratis. Are we tuning? Elaba.
Yeah,
Mkhize.
Singanani.
Sorry. Hi. You good? You know my type. Hello. I don't like your kicks. Hi. You ugly. Hello. You good? Sorry, one kiss. Hi. You good?
Imthanda nobani?
Ela.
Raichuna, no hard feelings. No hard feelings, guys. Raichuna.
He better not fall on his face.
Uqeda ukukhuluma namasimba ngiyathemba yonke into ihamba kahle.
But before we walk about you something. Go LGBTQ about what?
Oh, man.
What's with this girl in the hate? She's been calling people gay and all that nonsense. Yo. Abekuphanjiswa usaqala. Uqala.
Not that there's anything wrong.
Bakuphanjiswa usaqala.
How is he gonna come back?
He
better not fall on his face.
It's over.
You're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it. Ruining it. Okay, sharp. Hello. Sharp. I don't say.
Okay.
Umuntu omubi uwe. That's what the doctor said when you were born.
Mara mina understand wakhuluma kakhulu kanje because nabo bobe bakho ngato escape ya bullshit.
Emotional, damn it.
Hello. Marangkala ng kulmele. Marangkala ng kulmele. Ah, yeah. Yanka. Hi. Kiss. Hello. Sharp. Kiss. Right? Yes. And Mara. Ah, man, monthla man sheba man Raichu.
Baby G. Arre.
Hello. What's up? It's a kiss. Hello. How are you?
Sharp.
What's your name?
Rehu.
Rehu. So is this what you do for a living?
What?
Looking ugly in public?
If you've been trying to use YouTube Shorts, but all of your views are falling flat, you have to check this out. And get yourself...
What's up, this? Hello. How are you? I'm good. It's a kiss. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks, Annie.
I'm good. I'm not into light skinned, It's a DISS. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Sharp.
I'm good. It's a DISS. Hello. How are you? Sharp. It's a kiss.
Ela. Mechon. Raichu. Hi.
Hi. Okay.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm okay.
I'm ugly.
Why ask?
Yeah?
Why ask?
Ask him. Because you said I'm ugly.
Yeah?
Because you said I'm ugly.
Yeah, I say what I say.
Yeah?
Definitely come back. Jose. Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good and yourself.
What's your name?
Baby Chi. Antoinette.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. I'm good and you?
What's your name?
What's happening?
Yes, sir. Number one. Number one. Number one.
You want a kiss? Oh, sorry. Can I kiss you?
Sila.
Hi. Do you think I can go down for you?
Yeah?
Do you think I can go
Aye,
down?
aye, 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 aye.
Oh, I wanna hear this train wreck. What? I wanna see this abortion.
Down.
Slow Lena.
Slow lad.
This kid is gonna
He
watch.
doesn't know what it means.
This kid is gonna watch this back one day,
Do you think
and she's gonna watch this back one day and be like, "What the fuck?"
I can
What
go
I
down
say?
for you? Do you think I can go down?
Go down on you. Prepositions.
Slow Lena. You are slow Lena. Fucking idiot.
Nah, you're too short. This. Hey, my brother, your hair. Hi. He's not make sure. Like, it's not. It's not. You look nice. You would brighten my world. Because I'm dark skinned, you know. I like you. Buffet to this guy, ne? This guy. This one. Where Kunyan? What's this? Oh, say stay.
STI going around. Kids go get tested.
Kiss. Hello guys. Kiss. Kiss on the cheek.
Sina sayitshuna ba? Emlomini. I see.
Hey, ntombazane inebhadi yo.
Yo.
Wena WhatsApp ayintshwanile
Peer pressure.
Hello.
Hello.
Shap. Smile. Bong smile. Hello. Shap. Kiss.
Hello.
Karen. Hello. Shap. I take this. Go. Oh no. Yo. I know see. Oh. I know see.
Son, hurry.
Hi.
Yeah.
Shop.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Katlego.
Katlego. Can I kiss on the cheek?
This is Dave, head of marketing at a ketchup company, about to use Grammarly to handle a tight deadline.
Why would she say that?
Yo, God.
It's fucking
I on the cheek, Baba.
It will take you to leave it. I drank a jar.
At least.
It will give food a yonke.
At least. At least.
Okay, excuse, but I have to do this. Yeah, you look handsome, Jim. Your hand. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Usunempakamo manje. Usenempakamo naye.
So uzohlala phila.
Na usenempakamo.
Clever.
Usukwazi ukunegotiate. You're not him.
We come and we come hard. Adam. Scash.
Is there something wrong?
No, guys from Midrand are hoes.
Hey, man. Well, do you think I'm one of those? Hey, man. I don't look like a...
You don't look like a hoe.
Oh, I don't look like a hoe? Okay, sure. First
Wait,
question.
do you smoke weed? Excuse.
Huh?
Excuse, you don't smoke.
So you want it?
Ngangabande damage kangaka. Mncane kanti phela umentshisi.
And to smoke.
Is it big?
Is it big? Yeah. Who are your parents? Ubiza abafana ngama-hoes. Ufuna insango. Is it big? This country is going to the dogs. Why
you blaming, boy? Why you blaming?
We need to take abantu ekade baphethe lezo lo hulumeni nje kufanele sibase world court. This is treason. It's treason. Ayikide nje ingane fucked up.
Is it what?
Is it big?
To handle you? Definitely. To handle you, definitely. Okay, for the first question. If it was up to you, where would you want me to kiss you? If it was up to you. On the neck. Why? I want to do it on the lips.
The problem is I'm eyeing on someone, so sorry.
Wasn't it me?
Sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
Unjani? Sharp. Angibuza ukuthi njani.
Unjani?
Yo. Nah, ngishap. Kiss. Mkhizi. Unjani? Kanti wena ngibuza ukuthi njani.
Hey man, you needy motherfucker. Go and say
Be confident, boy.
Sharp, kiss. Hello.
Hello.
Njani? Umpedi. Mzulu. What are you?
Msotho.
Mzulu.
Msotho.
Msotho. Oh.
To do with anything.
What is that going to determine?
Nah, kiss.
For umuntu kade bonke bekunabeka namantombazana awuzethembi.
Fanak.
I'm a boy.
Sharp.
Get How? Nalapho.
What's his face things
Nalapha po.
Hello. Sharp.
Sharp, brother.
Nak sharp. What's the one na chole piercing out one?
No, I'm good.
Why? Okay, Sharp. If do you think this video was spicy?
Think you slick, huh?
Okay, it's not spicy enough, I guess.
Do you think we could make it spicy? Nah. Why?
No.
Like, I wanna know why.
I cannot resent, but no.
You are not him.
You are not him. Kuyahlela lapha ubone opportunity.
Ngeke khaya qabulanga.
Ubone opportunity. Uvulekile indonga
Indonga zaseJericho ziwile.
Seyiphansi. Kunzima ukunika ifoni. Buka le effort le ethathela.
Yabo ukuthi angeke alale namuhla.
Ukuthi amnike ifoni.
Ngeke alale uyabona.
Iyavela yasinde because yabevela yasinde.
Atambi. Ivelele lithi. Yeah.
Like it's a mistake.
Cela le ntombazana. Iye what's that place? Ema
Social
social
house?
work. Hey!
Oh, okay, sorry.
Cela ba social worker ifakele ibuke le video. Le ntombazana le. Bazifunda kule ngane lezinto. Bazali cimanile queen, ayikho into nje. Cishile queen.
Generation ucheck mabaso. Isikolo sakhe seRoma.
Andabule ebo. Ekodwa boku Jack.
Yeah, I guess it's done. That was Ruthless, Kiss or DISS. Yeah.
I'm concerned. Nenjale the South Africa speeder kuyo. It is not the one.
Okay, 25 seconds left.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, suggest them a video and funa swabone.
Yeah.
We'll see you again. Kusasa.